Namaste. We were discussing the Manisha Panjagam in Shankara Darshana. And you know the situation? The Chandala was asking the saint, Annamayad Annamaya Madhava, Chaitanyameva Chaitanyat, Yadivara Durikartam Vanjasi, Kim Bruhi Gacha Gache. And you know the meaning? The body are the same for both of us. And the spirit or pranamayam or atma are the same for both of us. So, O sage, which of this do you want to move away from your presence? See, a lot of people or some people ask me the relevance of this Manisha Panjagam. Why am I attempting such a thing now? Because we are experiencing. We were both in the place of this Chandala and the sage on different places at different times. When we are helplessly going to hospital, we were asked to move away in the traffic, or in our haste, we were not given the consideration of the situation. Basically, these words are referring to the Advaita of Shankara Darshana. But we have experienced what the Chandala has experienced at different phases, at different situations, at different places. Even in places of worship, when we are waiting to have a darshan of the Lord or Devi or the goddess in queue or something like that, a superior officer or a VVIP or an actor or a famous person or a wealthy businessman comes and we were asked to move away. Even in front of the God, where everybody should be considered equal, we are asked to move away. In hospitals, every phase of life, we experience this. And for us, a lot of times, other people have moved a lot of people for us to go through. When a priest comes, the people are asked to move away. When an administrator comes, the people are asked to move away. When the president of a committee of a temple comes, the people are asked to move away. So, everybody considers themselves superior with pride. I am such and such. So, the people should give way to me. Shamelessly, we have heard people asking directly to the common people to move away. Lot of situations, we have heard that. So, the pride in them, whether it is a policeman, whether it is a physician, whether it is a politician, whether he is a priest, or whether he is a leader, the pride in him, he don't sees the emptiness or the truthlessness in asking all others to move away. So, every time we experience that, we tend to ask, why should we move away? What makes you superior? Because only the position, the body, the soul, and everything else are the same. And the position we give them, for a politician or something like that, we give them that power. And we are experiencing a lot of hardships because of them. See, we have seen these traffic blocks for a politician, for a top level politician who pass through, we are blocked. Even if we are in a haste for something very urgent. So, the relevance is that we are experiencing the same situation among us in different times. And we are making other people to move away for us at different times, at different phases, at different intervals. So, both the sage and the Chandala we have experienced, and we know what we are feeling when such a thing happens, even in places of worship, even in front of the God. For us, darshan of the Lord, when we wait for that, we are asked to move away, move away. We are not allowed to even have a darshan at certain times, a good darshan. So, that is why this is relevant. And this is relevant because we are not understanding the Advaita principle. We are not understanding. We are fighting among ourselves. We are communalizing. We make people hate each other on the basis of their religion, on the basis of their birth, on the basis of the region they are born, on the basis of a lot of things, the color of their skin, and so on and so on and so on. So, always we are making divisions. And you should know that everything is equal and everything is basically made of these 5 elements. And the Alpan present in everything is the same reflection of the Paramatma. We haven't yet understood. We are preaching that ours is the best, while we are preaching the people to kill each other, to hate each other, and to get divided, to form a division among themselves. So the relevance is that you are not and we are not the people who can judge others based on anything, any creed. We can make the people hate those who are creating this division, those who are communalizing, those who are preaching to hate each other, and those who are preaching to kill each other. We can hate them, not our brothers, not the body, nor the soul should be hated, because everything is the same. So I think you understand the relevance in which, the context in which I am trying to discuss on this Manisha Panchagam. This is based on Advaita principle. This is always Advaita. There is no two, there is only one. So it's based on that Advaita, and we have experienced what the Chandala was experiencing, and we have experienced what the sage is experiencing because of the pride and because of the ego within him. So the both conditions we know, and we have the experience of both the conditions. So we'll continue the discussion. Namaste.